Claude training is becoming one of the easiest AI service angles to start right now. Open Udemy, Maven, or business training sites, and you'll already see people selling Claude courses, Claude code workshops, Claude for business training, and workflow sessions for teams. But here's the part most beginners miss. You don't need to become a world-class Claude expert first. You need to learn one practical workflow, package it clearly, and show a specific type of business user how it saves time. In this video, I'll break down how to start from zero. Learn Claude in a focused way, choose one business niche, build a simple proof package, and turn existing Claude tutorials into content that can attract real conversations. Claude is moving deeper into work. Anthropic's own Claude for Work page points to use cases across sales, HR, marketing, product management, project skills, research, and integrations. More people are hearing about Claude, but many tutorials still focus on developers, vibe coding, or marketing. That leaves space for beginner-friendly training around real business workflows. Step 1. Learn Claude enough to teach. First, learn Claude well enough to explain it to one beginner. You do not have to master every feature. Start with 10 focused hours across 5 days. Learn Claude chat, projects, file uploads, artifacts, and the workspace features you can access. You can follow our study plan here. The study plan is designed for beginners who want to teach Claude to non-technical business users. It includes daily tasks, tutorials to follow, use case examples, checklist items, and prompts. When you're done with one task, check in the box here and the master sheet will automatically update your progress. By the end, you should have a small Claude workflow you can explain in 5 minutes. Comment below so that I can send you the link to our study plan. Step 2. Choose one niche. Use 3 questions. Who feels pressure to learn AI? Who has repetitive knowledge work? Who would actually use a Claude workflow inside their normal day? For sales teams, Claude can help review calls and draft follow-ups. For recruiting, it can summarize candidate notes. For founders, it can turn research into decision briefs. For operations, it can turn messy docs into checklists and SOPs. You can do a market research on this topic by combining Perplexity and Notebook LM. We also have a full detailed walkthrough on that. It shows you from start to finish on how to discover a gap in a market, position yourself in the targeted market, know your competitors, customers, pain points, and more. Remember to check that out. I put the link in the description. Step 3. Build a proof package. Before you message anyone, build a small proof package. That means one workflow checklist, one 2-minute demo idea, one before and after example, and one simple page explaining who the workflow helps. You can follow our proof package template we have here and make your own. This makes your message more credible. You are not just saying, I can teach Claude, but you are actually showing them one clear workflow and one useful outcome. Step 4. Repurpose tutorials. Now take one Claude tutorial and turn it into useful content. One short video, one LinkedIn post, one checklist, one demo clip, and one DM opener. Model the structure, then add your niche and your own example. You don't have to start from zero. You can steal our tutorials, renew it, and make it your own. Check out our YouTube channel or our newsletter website. We already have Claude videos on usage optimization, hidden Claude code commands, working faster with fewer tokens, building landing pages that convert with Claude design, and a lot more. Step 5. Short form plan. For distribution, start with short form. It is easier to make consistently. 1 to 2 videos a day for 30 days is enough to test the topic. Focus on the first 10 seconds, then teach one specific idea in the middle. A lot of YouTube channel has had their thousands of views and subscription with this method. Manual outreach. Don't automate too early. If people comment, like, or ask questions, message them manually. Test different openers and see which message earns real replies. For example, here I have 3 versions of the same type of message: friendly, direct, and founder style. Also, you can check out some comments in popular posts, videos, see if there is anyone having a problem. If you know how to help them, send them a DM, say that you had the same problem, and now you know how to solve it. You can ask if they want your prompt, your skills, etc. Mistakes to avoid. A few mistakes can kill this quickly. Learning too shallow, choosing a niche that is too broad, copying hooks without adding insight, automating DMs before you know what works, and teaching theory without a usable outcome. 30-day execution plan. Here is a simple 30-day version for you to practice. Week 1, learn Claude and choose a niche. Week 2, build the proof package. Week 3, post short form and collect feedback. Week 4, test the workflow with 5 real people. And beyond Claude, AI Fire is always tracking new AI trends and building practical courses to help you learn faster, test new tools, and turn them into real workflows as quickly as possible. Please like and subscribe if you think this video is useful. Thank you for watching and see you again on AI Fire.